If you ever come across an article that has words in it that you don't understand, try to rewordify it. So rewordify works like this. I'm going to go to a website and find an article, some text. I'm going to highlight this text about the new James Bond movie. Right-click to copy, or two fingers to right-click copy. Go back to rewordify, and it says enter the text or the web page. For some reason, when I'm pasting web pages, it's not working. So I'm just going to paste the text here and click rewordify. So what rewordify does is it goes through and it takes out words that it thinks might be hard for you to understand and replaces them with easy to understand words. For example, computer criminals was originally cyber criminals. So it says computer criminals are using the new James movie, No Time to Die, as fish bait. People who work to find information. Originally that word was researchers, so it changed it to something else. At Kaspersky warned that evil and cruel ads, what was that originally? Malicious, and phishing, places and locations, sites. So again, it just took it and brought it down a little easier, took out some of the words they thought was harder for people to read. What if you don't know a word like credit, but it didn't make it and change it? Click on it, and there's the definition. What if you don't know the word watching? Click on it, and there's the definition. So again, it automatically changes words that it thinks you might have problems with, but you can also click on a word, and it'll tell you the definition. So let's see this in action again. I'm going to go back to rewordify.com. And I'm on the NASA website now, and I'm just going to click an article, because NASA usually uses scientific words, and I want to see what it'll do if it'll make it a little easier to read. So I'm going to select the text of this article. Again, right-click, Control-C to copy, right-click, two fingers, copy, back to rewordify, paste, rewordify the text. So again, anything in yellow was a word that thought you might not know. So again, I'm highlighting here, and it says, oh look, that originally was astronauts. Or I could click on it if I want to hear it said aloud.
Astronauts.
Again, after landing, it was originally post-landing. Meeting to discuss things or meeting together was originally conference. Again, if I want to hear it said aloud.
Conference.
Or if I don't know what newsroom means, click on it and that'll give me the definition. So again, this can work on anything that's on the web. Just copy and paste it into rewordify.com.